The future is here. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we work and live. AI tools are powerful allies, boosting our productivity and simplifying our daily tasks. Imagine a world where tedious tasks are automated. A world where creative blocks vanish. AI is making this a reality. AI can process information faster than humans. This speed allows for quicker decision-making and problem-solving. Imagine analyzing massive data sets in seconds. AI can do this, freeing up our time for more creative and strategic work. AI is not just about speed, it's about working smarter. AI tools learn from our behavior and preferences. They provide personalized insights and recommendations. This personalized approach enhances our efficiency and helps us make better decisions. The AI revolution is here. Are you ready to embrace its transformative power? Let's explore how AI tools are revolutionizing different aspects of our lives. The world of AI offers a wide range of tools, each specializing in different areas. Whether you're a writer, a designer, or a data analyst, there's an AI tool ready to assist you. Let's explore some of these specialized tools. For writers, AI writing assistants are game changers. These tools help generate ideas, improve grammar and style, and even write different kinds of creative content. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to effortlessly crafted prose. Designers can leverage AI design tools to create stunning visuals. These tools offer intelligent templates, automate repetitive design tasks, and provide design suggestions based on your preferences. Creating professional-looking designs becomes a breeze. Data analysis, often seen as complex and time-consuming, becomes simplified with AI. AI-powered data analysis tools can analyze vast data sets, identify patterns and trends, and generate insightful reports. These tools empower businesses to make data-driven decisions with ease. These are just a few examples of the diverse AI tools available. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated and specialized tools to emerge. Interacting with AI tools is like having a conversation. To get the best results, you need to understand how to communicate effectively. This involves providing clear instructions and relevant information. Prompts are the key to unlocking the potential of AI tools. A prompt is a set of instructions or a starting point that guides the AI in generating the desired output. Crafting clear and specific prompts is crucial. The more specific your prompt, the more accurate and relevant the AI's response will be. Input parameters further refine the AI's output. These parameters allow you to specify details such as the desired length, style, and tone of the content. Experimenting with different parameters helps you fine-tune the AI's responses to match your preferences. Remember, AI tools are powerful allies, but they rely on our guidance. By mastering the art of effective interaction, we can unlock their full potential and achieve remarkable results. Section 4. AI integration, weaving intelligent tools into your daily routine. Integrating AI tools into your daily workflow doesn't require a complete overhaul of your routine. Start by identifying tasks that are repetitive or time-consuming. These are prime candidates for AI assistance. For example, if you spend hours each day responding to emails, consider using an AI-powered email assistant. These tools can draft responses, manage your inbox, and even prioritize important messages, freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. Next, explore how AI tools can complement your existing tools and software. Many AI tools offer integrations with popular platforms, allowing for seamless data sharing and workflow automation. This integration enhances your productivity and streamlines your work processes. Remember, the key to successful AI integration is to start small and gradually incorporate tools that align with your specific needs and workflows. As you become more comfortable, you can explore more advanced integrations and unlock even greater efficiencies. Section 5. Experiment and conquer. Unlocking the full potential of AI. The world of AI is constantly evolving. New tools and features are emerging all the time. It's important to approach AI with a mindset of experimentation and continuous learning. Don't be afraid to try new tools, experiment with different prompts and parameters, and see what yields the best results for you. Setting clear goals is essential when working with AI. Define what you want to achieve with each tool and how you will measure success. This goal-oriented approach ensures that you're using AI tools effectively to achieve tangible outcomes. Remember that AI tools are constantly learning and improving. The more you use them, the better they become at understanding your preferences and delivering personalized results. Embrace this iterative process and be open to adjusting your approach as you discover new possibilities. Section 6. Embrace the future. Mastering AI for a world of opportunities. The future belongs to those who embrace change and adapt to new technologies. Mastering AI tools is no longer optional. It's essential for staying ahead in a rapidly evolving world. By embracing AI, we unlock a world of opportunities for growth, innovation, and personal fulfillment. Imagine a world where AI augments our capabilities, empowers us to achieve more, and frees us from the constraints of mundane tasks. This is the future that AI is shaping, and it's a future within our grasp. The journey of mastering AI begins with a single step. Start by exploring the AI tools available in your field. Experiment, learn, and discover how these tools can enhance your productivity and simplify your life. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to unlock its potential?